Hey everyone, welcome back to our English podcast. I'm Jackson.
And I'm Lena. We're so happy you're here today.
Today, we're learning small talk, simple daily questions.
Small talk is short, friendly talk. We use it with friends, classmates, coworkers, everyone.
It helps you start a conversation and feel more confident.
Before we start, quick reminder. Please like, follow, and share this podcast.
It really helps us and helps other learners too. Thank you so much.
Okay, let's begin. Listen first, discuss, then listen again.
The most common small talk question is, how are you?
Very simple, very important.
Let's listen to a short dialogue. Just listen. Hi Lena, how are you?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm fine.
I said I'm good, thanks.
And I said, I'm fine.
Other easy answers are I'm okay, pretty good.
Now you try. Repeat after us. How are you?
I'm good, thanks.
Great job. You sound very natural already.
Another small talk question is, what are you doing?
We answer with I'm plus verb plus ing.
For example, I'm eating, I'm studying, I'm working.
Let's listen.
Hey Jackson, what are you doing?
I'm making tea. What about you?
I'm studying English.
I said I'm making tea.
And I said I'm studying English. Great choice.
Now repeat with us. I'm eating.
I'm working.
Perfect. Keep going. You're doing great.
Now let's ask about places. Where are you going?
We can answer I'm going to plus place.
For example, I'm going to school. I'm going to the shop. I'm going home.
Let's listen. Where are you going, Lena?
I'm going to the market.
Nice. I'm going home.
Very simple, right? Now you try. I'm going to work.
I'm going to the shop.
Perfect. Rest is very important too, but first, good English practice.
Sometimes we ask about earlier today.
We can say, what did you eat?
We answer, I ate plus food.
Example, I ate rice. I ate eggs. My quick breakfast is a banana.
Let's listen.
What did you eat for breakfast?
I ate eggs and bread. How about you?
My quick breakfast is a banana.
Short and clear answers are perfect.
Now repeat. I ate rice.
My breakfast is a banana.
Nice. Talking about food is always fun.
Another easy small talk question. Do you like?
Do you like coffee? Do you like music? Do you like football?
We answer, yes I do or no I don't.
Let's listen.
Do you like coffee, Lena?
Yes, I do. I like coffee a lot. Do you like tea?
Yes I do.
Very friendly questions. Very easy answers.
Now your turn. Do you like music?
Great answer. Music makes learning fun too.
Now let's hear a full small talk chat.
Hi Jackson, how are you?
I'm good. What are you doing?
I'm going to the shop. What about you?
I'm working now, but later I will rest.
Perfect. Rest is very important too.
Did you hear many small talk questions?
How are you? What are you doing? Where are you going?
This is real daily English. You can use this today.
Let's recap today's small talk questions.
How are you? What are you doing? Where are you going? What did you eat? Do you like?
And easy answers like, I'm good. I'm studying. I'm going home. I ate rice. Yes, I do.
Remember, you don't need perfect English. You just need to try.
And you are trying. That's amazing. Good job today.
Now, our community question for you. What's the first thing you do in the morning? Drink water? Check your phone? Eat breakfast?
Tell us in the comments. We really want to hear from you.
Thank you for learning with us today.
Keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep speaking English.
Bye, everyone. See you next time.
Bye, everyone. See you next time.